Guys, I'm not kidding. This might be the craziest marketplace list I've ever seen. We've got a Thunderbird that's been dead for 20 years, a $500 Studebaker that refuses to die, and a Cadillac project missing half its parts but somehow still tempting. These deals are cheap, weird, and absolutely irresistible. Let's get into it. Number 1. 1966 Ford Thunderbird Landau. Alright, starting strong with the 1966 Ford Thunderbird Landau that's been asleep longer than most people watching this channel. It's been off the road for 20 plus years, blue on blue and rocking a 390 with a C6 and 9-inch rear. Major restoration project, yes, but hey, for $1,000 you're basically rescuing a forgotten lanyard from retirement. Scott says thanks for looking. I say bring a trailer and maybe a prayer. Number 2. 1968 Rambler Ambassador. Next up, a 1968 Rambler Ambassador straight out of a barn, literally. The seller isn't even sure what engine's in, but he was told it ran when parked, which is everyone's favorite sentence. New carb was installed wrong, so it doesn't run now. No front bumper, but the grille, trim, and radiator are chilling in the trunk like they're on vacation. Solid body, surface rust, clean title, cheap price, bring a trailer and low expectations. Number 3. 1953 Chrysler Imperial. Third, we've got a 1953 Chrysler Imperial that's surprisingly not a rust monster. Most of the glass looks good, engine and transmission are actually still there, only the radiator decided to ghost. Fair condition, blue on gray, and honestly, for the price, this might be one of the easier early 50s revivals you'll ever find. Number 4. 1965 Cadillac two-door. Number 4 is a mystery Cadillac. The seller traded for it, never touched it, doesn't know what engine it has, and has no keys, so nobody knows what's in the trunk either. Could be treasure, could be raccoons. They were told it ran before the engine was pulled for a diesel swap. Delaware title signed by previous owner. If you like surprises, this one's basically a loot box. Number 5. 1967 Ford Galaxy two-door. Rounding out part 1, a 1967 Ford Galaxy with a 289 that actually runs. Well, runs if you bottle feed the carb. Needs a fuel pump, carb rebuild, probably a tank clean. Good body, no bumpers, no AC because it never had it. Clean SC title, cheap price, and honestly a solid starter project for someone who likes old Fords and doesn't mind getting their hands dirty.
Car number 6 is a 1960 Plymouth Savoy with that classic forward look vibe. Green on green, 125k miles, automatic, and sold as a project or parts car. Not much info from the dealer, but hey, it has a title, which already puts it above half the cars in today's list. If you've been itching to rescue a rare early 60s Mopar, this might be your shot. Next up, a 1950 Studebaker Land Cruiser that's been relisted because people keep messing around. Seller says no holds, no deposits, no stories. Just buy it. It's complete, 6-cylinder with an automatic, good frame and floors, needs trunk floor and some sheet metal love. Not running, been sitting for years, paperwork situation is messy but doable. For $500, it's either a parts jackpot or your new obsession. Number 8 is a 1965 Dodge Monaco. Gold paint, brown interior, and a title in hand. Original 383, automatic, 2-door hardtop, floor shift. Sitting cheap at $950, and the seller straight up says, make an offer. Worst he can say is no. This one's got big body Mopar presence written all over it. Someone needs to save it before it becomes yard art. Ninth spot goes to a 1969 Ford project shell. No motor, no transmission, but the bones are good. Some dings and scratches, but the structure's worth saving. Seats, dash, interior pieces are stored inside the seller's house, which is honestly better than leaving them outside. Perfect if you already have a driveline lying around and want a blank canvas. And finishing off part 2, a 1964 Studebaker Commander barn find. Yellow outside, blue inside, inline 6 with factory AC. Kinda wild for the era. Needs everything, has no title, but the seller can help load it. For $800, this is pure buy it now, figure it out later energy. Perfect weird car project for someone brave. And that wraps up today's list of cheap classics. Let me know in the comments, which one would you drag home? The $500 Studebaker, the no-engine '69 Ford, or maybe that Thunderbird that's been asleep for 20 years? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more weird car finds, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep rescuing old metal.